So this is day 7 of Fusion 7 Healing Foundation Retreat at the Fusion 7 Healing Mystery School. You did it! Yay! Day 7! Yeah! Right. So here we are. Day 7 is represented by what colour? Or the energy centre, which colour? Or, yeah? Gold. Magenta would be the official colour, let's say, but white, gold, purple, any of these colours, silver for some, would be for this day. And the name of that energy centre is?
It's the crown.
Crown, and it's known as Sahasrara in the Sanskrit, ancient Sanskrit language. Do you know the sound that represents that energy centre? Yeah. And the corresponding energy field? It's not on the board today. Yeah, but do we know the name of it? Yeah, etheric template. Yeah. And what issues do these correspond to? The 7th. What do they connect to ordinarily?
Useful.
Could, but not officially.
Other times
And places, wisdom, yeah, connecting to the higher aspect of self, yeah, that kind of thing. Monosis, Sophia, la la la, that la 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 stuff. That would be etheric and also the crown. So you've set the sound. Now, do you know how many vortices are in this energy centre? There's 1,000. 1,000 vortices. So if you look at the ancient Buddhist tradition, sometimes you'll see it represented by a lotus flower. You've seen that before? So when they've got the lotus flower, they are actually talking about the 1,000 vortices that come up and out of your crown energy centre, or chakra, if you want to call it that. So that's all about that. Today, we're going to be looking at the true purpose of your healing. So why is it that we are doing all of this stuff in general? Not just each of you individually, but collectively, why is it that we are doing that? The secret of communication and the relationship. The secret of the wave. Yeah? The age of Aquarius, the golden age, the Merkaba explained, which we are going to actually do in this introduction today. The Merkaba attunement, which is going to take the majority of this day. So, we'll start explaining a little bit what this Merkaba situation is all about, and you know why it is that we're doing it. So, first off, what is it? It's described in the ancient texts as a divine light vehicle used by the ascended masters back in the day, in order to connect and tune in to the higher realms. Yeah, that's what it did. A description of it would be to counter-rotating fields of light energy. We're going to see a video clip of this afterwards as well to help us, which can transport us from our 3rd dimensional reality into the 5th dimension and beyond. Doo-doo. Yeah? There's more to it than that though. And these shapes are made up of 2 tetrahedrons of light that share a common centre. In combination, they create what is known as a star tetrahedron, which is also this shape that's in the middle of our altar. It's that shape there. That's what we are creating. Yeah. And they are intertwined spirals of energy, in fact, that are just like our DNA. So therefore it's an integral part of creation and creating. What the word means. It's made up of 3 pieces, Mer, Ka, Ba. Mer means light, Ka means spirit, and Ba means body. So it therefore means light, spirit, body. So what we're really doing, in fact, is we're kind of attuning, and those of you who are ready for it will be activating your light body. That's what it is that's going on. So what is it that actually happens through this attunement process? It's a deep connection to universal vibrations that awaken all that we are to everything that is. It's a very powerful process of expansion and ascension, and it is a connection with planetary, galactic, universal and cosmic Merkaba. So it's yours that's connecting to all the various aspects of it at different dimensional levels. Some, not all, may experience a full Kundalini awakening, or what is known as a samadhi or bliss state when they do this process. But don't be waiting for it. Not everybody experiences it. The way that we have designed the process is so that it fits with the level that you are currently at and how much you can expand beyond that point. So we're not like shooting you out of a cannon or anything, yeah? And this state is ultimately a portrayal of the connection to the divine, and also the divine aspect of self, in fact. Now, even though this is all very kind of metaphysical and energetic and perhaps spiritual, there are also benefits to the physical body by engaging in this process. It balances and stabilises the magnetic and electrical circuits and the circulatory system. I always get it back to front. Through our circulatory system consciousness, we will manifest space-time matter into finer and higher vibrations. The liquid crystals of our bodies carry emotion, and within our emotions we carry these vibratory patterns that are then activated during this process. Why is it so important? So after 6 days that we've done so far of clearing, healing, preparing, this process will assist us to move from earth consciousness to cosmic, divine and unity consciousness, which is 5th dimensional awareness and beyond. And that is basically it. That's what the Merkaba is. I'll add a little bit more about the 2 tetrahedra. The 2 tetrahedra are made of 2 triangles, or tetrahedrons rather. One is male and one is female. The male tetrahedra points upwards, it is electric and it spins to the left. And the female tetrahedra, triangle or tetrahedron, points down towards the earth and is magnetic and spins to the right. So it's clockwise and anti-clockwise interlocking movements by the 2 tetrahedra. Don't worry, you won't get dizzy. It's like when you're in a plane and it goes so fast that you can't feel it, same sort of thing. So that, guys, is the description, the properties, why we do it and what it is about. Guys who are watching in Cyberworld, thank you so much for joining us for these introductions for the Fusion 7 Healing Foundation class. Join us next weekend for Sacred Transformation Templates. Don't forget to subscribe on YouTube, Helen Christodoulou, Instagram and Periscope at Helen Makes Miracles. See you next week. Thank you very much.